Hey there, fellow machine lovers. Remember the old days? Machines were tough, but not too bright. They were like that friend who's all muscle, no brains. Picture a toaster that only makes toast, never knowing how crispy you like it, or a car that just goes forward and backward, no fancy parking sensors. Those old school machines were mechanical marvels, gears grinding, levers pulling, all that good stuff. But they lacked a certain spark. They couldn't think for themselves or react to what was happening around them. Then came the digital revolution and bam! Everything changed. Machines got a whole lot smarter. Today's machines are like something out of science fiction. They're packed with electronics, sensors, and computer brains. They can learn, adapt, and even make decisions on their own. That's the power of mechatronics, folks. So, what exactly is mechatronics? It's like mixing the brawn of mechanics with the brains of electronics and software. Think of it like this. Mechanics are the bones. This is the machine's skeleton. Its gears, levers, and moving parts. Electronics are the nerves. Wires and circuits carry information throughout the machine, kind of like a nervous system. Computer programming is the brain. This is where the magic happens. Software tells the machine what to do and how to react. Control systems are the reflexes. These systems keep everything running smoothly, making sure the machine responds correctly to its surroundings. Put it all together, and you've got a mechatronic system, a smart machine that can sense, think, and act. You can thank a clever Japanese engineer named Tetsuro Mori for the word mechatronics. Back in 1969, he combined mechanics and electronics to describe the cool new technology his company was developing. Japan was way ahead of the game back then. At first, mechatronics was all about making things move more precisely with the help of electronics. Think of early electronic cameras or VCRs. But as computers got smaller and more powerful, mechatronics exploded. Machines became smarter, faster, and more capable than ever before. These days, mechatronics is everywhere. You don't need to travel to the future to find it, it's all around us, making our lives easier and honestly, way more fun. Forget clunky metal men. Today's robots are sleek, precise, and hard at work in factories, hospitals, and even our homes. They can build cars, perform surgery, and even vacuum the floor while you binge-watch your favorite shows. Modern cars are practically rolling computers. They use sensors, cameras, and software to avoid collisions, park themselves, and even drive autonomously. Some can even change their own oil. Or at least remind you to. Remember that simple toaster? Well, it's gone high-tech. Today's smart appliances can brew your coffee just the way you like it, preheat your oven from your phone, and even order groceries when you're running low. Now, if only they could fold the laundry. Why all the fuss about mechatronics? Well, it's not just about cool gadgets and robots that steal your job, though that's part of it. Mechatronics is revolutionizing industries left and right. From robotic surgery to advanced prosthetics, mechatronics is helping us live longer, healthier lives. Imagine a world where robotic nurses assist surgeons with superhuman precision, or where prosthetic limbs are so advanced, you can't tell them from the real deal. The cars of today are already pretty amazing, but the future of driving is even wilder. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and cars that can find parking spots better than you can. Factories are becoming automated wonderlands with robots and smart machines working side by side with humans. This means faster production, higher quality products, and, hopefully, more jobs for people who know how to build and program these amazing machines. Now you might be wondering, how do these machines know what to do? That's where things get really interesting. Just like humans, smart machines need senses to interact with the world. They have sensors. These are like the machine's eyes, ears, nose, and fingertips. They detect light, sound, temperature, pressure, and all sorts of other things. If sensors are the senses, actuators are the muscles. They're the motors, pumps, and mechanisms that allow the machine to move and interact with its environment. So there you have it, that's mechatronics in a nutshell. It's the amazing fusion of mechanics, electronics, and software that's bringing us smarter, more capable machines. And this is just the beginning. As technology keeps advancing, who knows what incredible mechatronic marvels we'll dream up next. Stay tuned.